Hi Wargamers, it's Paul LaFontaine. Let's spend a few minutes with Moltke Problem 65. You command a brigade-sized detachment near Languth along the river. The main body of your corps is near Osterode to your southwest. In your brigade-sized element, you have 7 battalions of infantry, 4 squadrons of cavalry, and 2 batteries of horse guns. Your mission is to ensure that the corps doesn't have to come rescue you, and it can march north to Moringen. A regiment of cavalry has appeared at Alt Schönberg, and you know that this is an advance guard for a larger force. You're given the report that a corps-size enemy element is traveling west to interfere with your parent command's move northward. Given your mission of screening the northward movement of your parent command and not creating the conditions where you need to be rescued, what are your options? Look at these 3. First, you can move out toward Alt Schönberg, engage that lead unit, and determine that way which direction the enemy corps is coming. 2, you can stay at Languth, preserve your forces, and keep an eye on the movements of the enemy through vedettes and small patrols. Or 3, you can move north along the river and act as a flank guard for your parent formation as it moves north. As a further consideration, the terrain and the river makes it such that the enemy only has a few points that it can travel west to interfere with your parent command's march. Put the video on pause so you can consider your answer to the problem. Moltke's preferred solution was 3. Move north acting as a flank guard. This has 3 advantages. First, it keeps you in line with your unit and you can continue to screen successfully, so you're not falling behind. Second, you can quickly retreat westward so you get overwhelmed, so you don't get in trouble and force your unit to come rescue you. And third, it takes advantage of the terrain. There are several choke points where you can actually take your units, spread them out a little bit, and keep an eye on enemy movements. Moltke says take advantage of these benefits by splitting your command in 2. Have them leapfrog each other at critical points so that, in fact, you can cover more ground. You're there to make sure the enemy doesn't come too quickly, not to fight them. I hope this look at Problem 65 gave you an insight and allowed you to see how the use of a flanking force can screen your parent force without getting you into trouble, and that this is useful in your wargame play. We'll see you out there.